Hello, YouTube, students, Facebook, and so forth. How are you? So we're just coming on for a few minutes right now um, because from 12 to 1, that's the office hours. So you guys can send me emails or whatever you need to do to, ask questions or anything like that. You guys have my email at lbcfink@sapphirecoding.com. You also can go on the site, sapphirecoding.com, llbc.teachable.com. From 12 to 1, I'll be in the discussion board. So I'm just coming on quickly to let you guys know that I am going to be in the discussion board. Yesterday we tried to do a literally live video, but we have to wait 24 hours. So I'm thinking maybe this afternoon or this evening that should be ready. But I did get a few emails from you guys, and some of you are asking questions, which is fine because you guys know I always answer right back. I did put some things on Facebook. Don't forget to go on my Facebook, Step 5 Position Coding. That's the business page. So sometimes I do put, again, I told you guys the other day that I put words for the day and different things. And I did put some things about NAS and military hospitals and stuff like that. Sometimes I see things on TV that I think that, you guys, need to know what we talk about. And that's a lot referring to like the billing portion. Because, again, we do billing. And it's not a full drawn out billing course. But you guys still have to have insight on billing in the coding. So that's what we're going to do. So again, from 12 to 1, we're going to have live discussion. Let me just look and see. I think it's Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Hold on. If I change it one more time. I change it because people are going back to work, and I have to make sure that you guys have hours that you actually can get in and look at what you need to look at. I think it's Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So that's 12 to 1. You guys can go ahead and email me and I'll get right back to you. So when we do the live video and I'm on, you guys can type back. Now as soon as I put that video on there, even if it's archived, I'm still on there. You can still type in things. Because I see you guys, right after I do a video, you guys are sending me emails left and right. And that's fine, but I'm already on. You guys can go ahead and, send it to me on the YouTube. That's fine. But the video that I put on YouTube, that's going to be pertaining to your lesson plan. Cardiology, any type of anesthesia or female genital, male genital. Yeah, we can go into that. I put the link in the program, so don't worry about that. The link will still be in the program. So, I'm going to try it after a while and see if it lets me go on live. But I don't know. I think, that's kind of like a process every now and then. Because you guys know I wasn't on for a long time. And now I guess I got to, start over with it. So, all the videos are in here, so you don't have to worry about that. But you guys can always remember, you always can email me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't miss anything. You hear those bells, Miss Lambert is on. And feel free, if you have a question outside of those hours, it's fine. Remember, Saturday and Sunday is one-on-one day. I'm available from 8 to 1 Saturday morning and Sunday morning. 8 to 1. After 1, I can't do after 1. Then I'm available again. So I always have the phone and stuff with me. So we can do Zoom however you want it. Let me know and I'll send you a Zoom invite. We'll go ahead and do Zoom, or we can do FaceTime or etc. But this is just a quickie letting you know about the 12 to 1. Go on the website. There's no commitment. Just look on there and look and see what's on there. We do one course, then you move on. Do one course, you do your test, and you move on. If you feel like you could move on. If you need more, I'll give you more. So again, that's what we're coming on now for. More than likely I'm going to try to do a live today because we couldn't do it yesterday. But if we don't, I'm going to try and do I don't care. I will just do an archive so we can kind of get some of the things rolling. I do have a cardiovascular one on there. You guys know I'm crazy about cardiovascular. But I have a long course for that. Course is very long. The longest one is just a CPT course. Some of you guys are beginners. You don't know anything about coding. So yeah, that's the beginning course. You have to fix that. That's the beginning course. So, be prepared for that. Look out for that. And I will see you then. probably later on today, but don't forget between 12 and 1, you guys can shoot me emails between then. In that case, I'm going to get right back to you. Or you can go into the class. If you go into the program and there's a free program in there, there's also a discussion board under there. You still can interact with me within the program. Okay, so just get back to me. And if I forget something I said I was going to go over, let me know. Send it to me in an email. If I said, I'm going to go over, I don't know, OBGYN or, whatever, something like that. Just call me, say, Miss Levitt, you said you was going to go over XYZ, but you didn't. Okay, let me know. I will send it back because we're trying to get the YouTube going, but I need to do the live. It's 5 minutes already. I can't believe it. Okay, so subscribe. Go to the website. There's 2 websites. I put the other website inside the main website, www.sapphirecoden.com. Okay? I'll talk to you soon.